Hi, I'm Alex Gosse from Zeus Technology. Today I want to talk to you a bit about some of the features for Multi-Site Manager, which is an option for Zeus Traffic Manager. Specifically, I want to talk to you about some of the visualization features that come with Zeus Traffic Manager and Multi-Site Manager. Specifically, or even more specifically, the sort of some of the traffic analysis tools. At the minute, I've got a multi-site manager cluster configured. I've got 2 locations set up, and I've got currently I've got a load generator sending traffic to both of my locations that I've set up. And to help visualize the traffic, we've got the usual activity graphs that you can use to look at your traffic history in terms of bits per second or hits per minute, like HTTP transactions. There's a large amount of data that you can plot with the activity graphs. You can look at sort of longer historical trends. But what's really interesting is this real-time map plotting feature, where you can actually see, as individual user requests come in, you can actually see where those requests originate from on a global view. And that's basically, that's a factor of having an IP, a global IP table, or rather a location to IP mapping table included with the product. So you can actually trace where all your requests come from in real time. There's also another feature for Multi-Site Manager called Global Load Balancer, which I'll discuss in a different video. But I just want to touch on some of the analytics that you can also use with the Traffic Manager. In this case, what I've got is a buffer that saves a certain number of recent requests. And what I can do with that is actually take a look at this connections page in the user interface and click on this magnifying glass button. And I can actually debug at a very fine, at a very granular level, what was actually happening during the life cycle of this connection. So, for instance, every time a rule runs, a piece of network-side scripting, for example, how long we were waiting for data from one of our back-end machines, if there was an error, what were the conditions of that error. So that feature is called real-time analytics, and it fits very nicely in with the other visualization tools, such as the map and the activity graphs.